equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into how to address battery issues on your Dell Inspiron laptop. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Let's get started. Begin by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the battery. Depending on your model, you may need to unscrew a few screws on the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, placing them in a safe spot so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. After you've accessed the interior, take a moment to inspect the battery connection. If it appears loose or dirty, this could be the source of your issues. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. If you're comfortable continuing, let's clean the battery contacts with a soft cloth. This can often resolve connectivity issues. Next, let's check for any dust or debris inside the laptop. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the vents and around the battery area. This is crucial as overheating can also lead to battery problems. After cleaning, reattach the battery by aligning it with the connectors and pressing down firmly until it clicks into place. Replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the casing. Now, plug your laptop back in and power it on. Check if the battery is charging correctly. If the issue persists, it may be time to consider a battery replacement. Before you proceed, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. If you're still facing challenges, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is here to help you troubleshoot and resolve any issues you may have. No calls, no travel, just straightforward assistance at your convenience. In summary, addressing battery issues on your Dell Inspiron involves careful inspection, cleaning, and sometimes replacement. By following these steps, you can potentially save time and money. If you need further assistance, our services are just a call away, ensuring you get the help you need without any stress. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.